So if life gives you lemons, make lemonade. What does that mean? It effectively means that if you can change your perspective, that you can make the most out of any situation that you will encounter throughout your life. Firstly, these things that come out of you, or whatever's stored inside you, are subjective imprints of your interpretations of these experiences. And the moment you begin to celebrate those lessons will be the exact same moment you stop allowing things to impact you in a negative way, that you stop blaming things or people for what you're experiencing in life. And so whenever you experience these types of emotions, the usual reasoning is that it's because of a person or because of a circumstance. But what you need to identify is that whatever's coming out of you is only what is stored inside you. And so it begs the question, how is it that I'm storing these emotions or these feelings within me? And how can I stop them from accumulating any further in my life? It is your subjective views on any of your environmental assaults, that every experience that you encounter, it's the way you're interpreting those experiences. And once you begin to celebrate the lesson rather than shy from it or run away from it, will be the exact same moment that you will stop blaming others for your experiences. Will be the exact same moment that you no longer allow these imprints or these impressions to govern and dictate your life. And the most important point is that how can anything hurt you without your consent if all of your emotions come from your thoughts? Nobody can harm you without your consent. These are your choices and they stem from the way you think. Thank you for watching, and if this is the type of content that you'd like to know more about or explore, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.